LLOs need to stop now. It needs to stop. After the shooting in Manchester, the council is concerned about the deportee surveillance. And again in agency news, accountant charged $6.6 million in payroll fraud. Want to hear more? Come with me. Great expectations from our Jamaican athletes in the upcoming Tokyo Olympics. Jamaican football coach Mr. McLaren, he's not worried about World Cup qualifications despite the strong start our Reggae Boys made. All this and more, Sunday Night Live. Follow me for more info. We start at 8 p.m. sharp. So if you want to join us in person, remember we're gonna be at Bamboo Oasis, 9 Coniston Drive. Or if you want to just join us online, it's Xpressionzja's YouTube channel at 8 p.m. right after the Sunday night uploads. Make sure you tune in or come join us and just chill for a minute. Yeah, this Sunday, 8 p.m. Sunday night.
One thing we can tell you about that girl here, she not dead for hungry. You think a plating, real hustler. No, you can't shake it. I can go drop off a tree, so. Shad, me don't know if nobody never tell you. Who this? Greetings, mommy. You're not shy. You're not shy. Big up yourself, mommy. Your mommy or your brother?
Watch out now, see? You see that one there she just get half of one tree right there, so. It there beside two more and a one open. Me don't see no more active on the tree, me don't know how a one active. Me don't see no more like a tree in the eight. Yeah, but first time we went down there.
I'm gonna go to the shop and get one. So for now,
it's a fall back.
One shan. You think of two.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, can I go somewhere? I go somewhere today.
I'm going to Cardiff. It is in the Chariots. Teach a 4-hour class.
4 hours?
Yes, sir.
Wow. And you drive for like 2 hours, 1.5 hours?
Oh, it's not really an hour and a half, but an hour and something. Hour maybe 15 minutes, depending on the traffic on the road.
That's 5 hours, 15 minutes. Oh. I'm off here. Morning time. Morning time, sir. That one I name off here.
So, this morning, the whole of our last name is Fry Eye. See? So, I am Orville Fry Eye, Shelly Fry Eye, we have Sparta Fry Eye behind the camera, and we have Chantal Fry Eye. I take the highway now because, yeah, we're not too long forward from Boom Badadan, and it's straight to work.
Be a eye bag.
I think it's a joke for me.
Yeah, man. You don't get catch this time. It's so long that wait for you. And you couldn't even say, you ready? It's the hot man.
Fresh, and you know much sugar I'm putting now.
Fresh. You never drink sweet tea, you don't tell her
Oh,
that.
it tastes good, man. I'm thinking now. No, my granny never tell me that.
Who tell her?
Nobody.
You just know.
No? I just threw my camera to get up and nothing on your sugar.
So you just say it tastes good.
But I'm still going to go for more sugar. See, I'm here.
That confuse me. I see my bucker again. I'll play with it now. Minty live, hot and ready here. From Shan Kitchen. Shan tea bag. What you say? Yeah, my bula. Huh? Shan? Yeah, my bula. Have beer?
No. Yes, man. Yeah, bugger you. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Not even a look. Yes, man.
Anytime me.
No, me did not catch me again.
Don't worry about it, man. The whole of me I get J2 today. I'm serious on in here today, though. Jaja. Jaja, she tired me, you know. We don't catch her yet. It's lucky, you know, wait. It's just leave up comfortable. I trouble look more, man.